welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren, and if you're new here, you should definitely subscribe down below. I would love it if you join this little family that we've got going on here on my YouTube channel. But today is a really exciting video because it's in collaboration with NuMe hairstyling tools, and I'm going to show you guys how I got these curls and PC beachy waves with a straightener. I know, it's crazy that I got this much curl and this much volume from a straightener. So I'm going to talk a lot about this straightener. I've been loving it. I'm going to be collaborating with NuMe Hair on this video as well as 2 other ones, and if any of them are up on my channel, then they will be linked down below or in the card above. And I will be giving you guys a 20% off code, and it'll be right here on the screen as well as in the description below if you want to check it out. This is the magic wand of today's video. This is a straightener. It is so sleek. It's small, compacted, great for travel, and glides through my hair, but I'm going to talk more about that in the next clips. If you want to see how I got all of this volume and these very PC and beachy curls, then go ahead and stay tuned.
So since my hair is a bit wavy naturally, to start off, I just ran the straightener through it just a little bit so you can see all of the shine that has already given my hair. I cannot believe how much shine I get from this straightener when it comes to my hair, and it's actually because of the pure tourmaline ceramic plates that are in it. It really gives your hair shine. So I've sectioned off the top of my hair to make it a lot easier to curl these bottom sections. And since I want to be curling away from my face, I'm going to clamp it down, twist that back towards my head, and twist the straightener towards my head. Now I'm gliding this down and not spending too much time on my ends because I don't want to put too much heat on the ends. Putting it in my hand and kind of twirling it. I love that this straightener really glides easily through my hair, and at the same time it's smoothing it. So once again, I'm clamping it down, bringing it or turning it towards my head, turning the straightener, and not spending too much time on the ends, letting it drop in my hand and twirling it. I love that this curler gives me different kinds of curls. As you can see, this one's a bit tighter than the first one, and it's really going to give our hair dimension when we have 2 kinds of curls going on in our hair. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do this side and then move on to the next. Alright, and then once I was done with the curls, I kind of went in and kind of massaged my hair with my fingers. This kind of gives it a really piecey texture look, so I definitely like doing that. Now I'm once again doing the same exact thing to the opposite side of my head, but now I want to curl these curls away from my face on this side. So I'm actually just going to be clamping it down, bringing it up towards my head once again, and pulling it through and smoothing the hair at the same time. I've really noticed that this curler gets rid of any frizz that's in my hair while giving it shine and all of that. It's just so easy to use and pass and glide through your hair. Also, the next day my hair was still curled and still volumized, so I just love that about these plates that are in the straightener. And now we're moving on to the top section. For this, I kind of really like to start a bit closer to the root, since it is our top section, and then we can get a bit more volume by doing that. So once again, I'm curling all of these ones away from my face, and yeah, it gives me a lot of volume, super cute, and I just love the away from the face look. And I also wanted to mention that the rounded plates that are in the straightener really make it easy to create really full curls. I really love this straightener. It's called the Fashionista straightener from NuMe, and you'll find it on their site. They also have a turquoise color and black, and as well as this pink that I used.
Alright guys, and that is it for this little video on how I got these curls with the NuMe straightener. I will have all of my social media links down below if you want to follow me there as well, and I will have everything that you need to know about NuMe, including their website and the promo code and everything like that. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and if you enjoy these kind of hairstyling videos where I talk about my favorite hairstyling tools and how to use them, then definitely check out the rest of the videos on my channel involving NuMe hair. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? You gotta do it.